this video, I'll show you how to send Google Calendar event details to your team on Google Chat automatically. So assume that you have created an event inside Google Calendar and now you also have to share that event details with your team on Google Chat. And to do that, you'll always have to copy the event details and manually share the details every time a new event is created here. But what if I tell you that you can also automate this process? Yes, you just need to integrate Google Calendar and Google Chat with the help of an automation software. After that, every time a new event is created here, the details will be shared automatically with your team on Google Chat. Want to set such kind of automation for yourself? Come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Google Calendar, and as soon as I'm going to create any event here, you will see how the details of that event will be shared automatically into one of my Google Chat space where my team is actually available. But for that, I'll have to build a connection in Google Calendar and Google Chat, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your tasks. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. Well, I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why firstly I have clicked on sign in, then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now, and then this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, after reaching here, you will have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm going to provide the name as, basically I have pasted the name as when event is created in calendar, auto share event info with the team on Google Chat. Okay, you can provide any random name, click on create, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email via Gmail application, and here according to our use case, whenever any event is created into Google Calendar application, automatically send the event details into the Google Chat application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. And here in this particular case, I am building an automation in Google Calendar and Google Chat applications, so that is why I have selected these two, and I am going to do the setup of Google Chat later. Firstly, I am going to connect to Google Calendar with Pabbly Connect so that whenever any new event is created, the details of that event can be captured via Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the very same details to different application or maybe to the Google Chat application. Okay, for the connection you will have to sign in with Google. All right, so here I'm going to provide the access of my account in which my Google Calendar is available. Okay, simply provide the access, and this is how the authorization will be successful and your Google Calendar will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see whatever the calendars are available inside my Google Calendar have started visible here. Okay, and I'm going to select this Pabbly team calendar. Okay, so let me search for the same. I'm sorry for that. Here it is Pabbly team. Okay, now as soon as I'll click on the save and send test request button, it will fetch the most recent event details, but currently I do not have any event inside my Google Calendar. So right in front of you I am going to create an event. Okay, so this is the create button of the event. Okay, and here I will be adding an event on which particular date. So let's say there will be an event which I am going to organize on in the month of the March, basically on the Sunday. Okay, and this event is all about the team meeting with director. Okay, so I have provided the name to my event, team meeting with the director. Okay, and this is going to be an event, and this is just a 3 hours or maybe a 4-hour event. So again I am going to define the timing as well, that is 2 p.m. and up to 5 p.m. Okay, alright, so I have also defined the timing, location, so you can also add the location of the event. Currently I am adding any random location, so let's say I add this Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Let's add the description also. We will be discussing the business plans in this meeting. Okay, you can provide any random name, and I think I have provided all the basic details which are actually required for creating an event. Clicking on save, and in the month of March, here you can see the event has been scheduled. Okay, coming back, clicking on this button, and you will see how it will capture that particular event details automatically. Okay, so here you can see team meeting with the director. Here we have the updated time. Here we have the 5th of March, that is the start time of the event, and we even have the timing, that is 2 p.m. It is the starting time. And let me show you other details. So here you can see we have this location, and let us check the description of this particular event. Okay, so here we have the description. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the first step of our automation, which was connecting Pabbly Connect and Google Calendar, is successful. Now we are going to share these event details with our team on Google Chat. Okay, I have already selected the application in the action event since I want to create a message, so that is why I have selected the same. And as soon as I have click on connect, you can see it is connected immediately because I am already logged in into my Google Chat. Okay, so coming back here, and I am going to add the chat webhook URL. Okay, so from where exactly you can get this URL? Enter your Google Chat room webhook URL. Here you will be able to register webhook URL only if you have a Google Workspace account. Okay, click here to learn more. Okay, so you can actually visit this particular documentation for the chat webhook URL. Okay, I will take you to my Google Chat, and here you can see I have created a space with the name Pabbly marketing team. And when you will go to your Google Chat space, you will find an arrow button. Okay, click on that arrow button, and here exactly you will find an option of manage webhooks. Okay, I am going to delete an existing webhook URL so that I can show you how you can create a new from the scratch. Okay, so let's provide any random name, something like connection with calendar. Okay, I'm providing this particular name, asking for avatar URL. So you can actually get this URL from this documentation. Here you can see I have this avatar URL which I am copying, and I'm going to paste the same here. Okay, so I have pasted, and make sure that you also remove this full stop from the end. Click on save, and this is how you can get the URL. This is the button of the copy. I have already copied it. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and let me paste the very same chat webhook URL. Okay, now it is asking for the message which you would like to send to your team. Okay, so here right in front of you, I am going to compose a very nice message, something like, hello team, a new event has been scheduled in our office calendar. Okay, here are the event details. Okay, and one by one I am going to add the event details. Okay, what is the event name? All right, so after this event name, I am going to map the name of the event which I have received from the previous step. And don't worry, I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I am going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on your field, and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that particular data, and this is how the data will be mapped. What is going to be the event location? And here you can see we have the location as well. I am going to directly search for the location of the event, and again I have mapped it. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping all about, which I am repeating again and again. Okay, so basically whatever the details you are going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation is going to work in real time. Okay, so that is why I'm specifically mapping this particular data. Okay, and whatever the details I have provided manually, these details will remain same, and the details which I have mapped will be replaced automatically. Okay, so this is how this automation is going to take place, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside Pabbly Connect. And if you would like to add more things, let's say I want to also add the description of the event, you can also do the same of the event. Okay, colon again, and here I will be mapping the description. Alright, so I think I have provided all the important details. Now I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request right in front of you, and you will see how the very same details will be shared automatically into your Google Chat space. Here you can see, hello team, a new event has been scheduled. Okay, the spelling is not correct. I should actually correct this spelling. Okay, in our office. Okay, in our office calendar, here are the event details: event name, event location, start time, description of the event. I think rest of the details are actually correct. Again, I have clicked on that, and finally I have the correct message. We even have the event name, the location, the start time, and the description. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time you are going to create any event inside your calendar, since this calendar is connected with Pabbly Connect, firstly the event details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, that too in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, and after that, when the event details will be captured, it will send immediately on your Google Chat, basically on this specific Google Chat whose chat URL we have pasted inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so just in case if your messages are not getting sent in real time, don't worry about that. You just need to wait for a few more minutes, or maybe for the 10 minutes. Your messages will surely send automatically without doing anything manually. You just have to wait patiently for a few minutes. And just in case if you want to access this particular workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link into my description box. Okay, so you just need to click on this particular link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this particular workflow, this particular automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too free. Okay, and after creating this automation, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.